Hello guys, good morning. I am here in Hornbill Festival today now. Have with me Mr. Dr. Watang, and he is basically mostly experienced person in making concrete block. So I like to know from him what are the benefits of making concrete blocks.
Well, I think when you talk about concrete blocks,
Yes.
there's a lot of differences.
Yes.
One is made of stone dust.
Right,
The other ones are made of sand and cement,
right.
and a lot of different.
And we have made from these machines.
Yes,
Basically, it is made from sand and stone
Yes.
dust and cement.
I also have the same kind,
Yes,
which
yes.
is hollow blocks, and
yes,
which is
yes.
made of stone dust.
Yes, I have the hollow machine also.
Okay.
We have hollow interlocking also.
Okay.
We have solid interlocking also.
I see.
All
Okay.
these machines we
Okay.
have actually.
Okay.
But we cannot do all this.
Is this a manual or hydraulic?
This is a manual machine.
Okay.
It's a vibration is there. This is a vibrator motor.
Oh, I
is
see.
there.
Okay.
So by this we are just by vibration we make the block.
Okay.
This one
Yeah.
which we have actually this is a very small machines. By hydraulic pressure actually
Okay.
we are making this type of block. आज अभी हम लोग का ये विकास यात्रा आके नागालैंड का ये मैची फेमा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पहुंचा है। यहाँ पे आज एक वीकली मार्केट है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे रुकने का सोचा। Hello guys, actually now I am in Medji Fema, and the bank where I am now is Nagaland Cooperative State Bank. I am with the branch manager M. Sagno. Okay, because the tour program is named as a Vikas Yatra. Vikas means the progress, and I like to know from everybody that what they feel when they hear the word called progress. Madam, can you tell me what you feel when you hear the word called progress?
I will say that it is development,
Okay.
going ahead.
Is enough. Actually, I just like to know that the feelings basically, what they feel when they hear the voice progress.